A very quick one here on net gas, gold and crude oil, starting with natural gas, and I'm going to go through silver today as well. So let's start with net gas. What do we have here? So if you have seen my last video, let me show you what I've said quickly so that we can understand the entries and conditions. I want to see a break of this current candle and then a possible break of another red candle. Once I see that, then we have a very likely signal that price wants to continue with a trend, did not want to reverse but instead want to retest and then fall to the next level of good support. Awesome. So if you follow me from last couple of months or a year, you know I take my entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. But if you look here on 1 hour time frame, what do we have? Right here we have a double top pattern. We did have a nice bearish engulfing pattern. That is also one of the sell condition, and then we had a double top pattern right here with this red candle. I've already informed members who are in touch with me on Instagram as a priority DM that the price is likely to fall. That would be your entry candle, this red candle, and with that ATR is coming up as 2.8. That's very low ATR, but looking at 1 hour time frame, if you go 2 ATR right here, as you can see, price has just hit 2 ATR target right here on this double top pattern. So what to expect from here? As you can see, we did have a push down on 1 hour time frame. Looking back on 4 hour time frame, let's see what's happening here. So at this point I'm expecting a further push down, and if we see, we already have a pullback, but I want to see some green candles pull back. So from here we can expect 50% retracement until this buffer zone, 25% till 50% retracement. From here, if you want to enter aggressively, 50% retracement will be your limit order, and in a less aggressive way, that will be bearish engulfing pattern. So looking at that, I'm still expecting a price to push down here on 4 hour time frame, and that zone above we can also expect a possible retest on 4 hour time frame, which is 2.116, if the price wants to push up here and forms a double bottom pattern here on 4 hour time frame. So I'll look for all the condition for sell trades only: aggressive entry with a 50% retracement, or with bearish engulfer less aggressive way, or with a double top. All these conditions I look for my sell trades. So again, the next zone for the buying is right here, which is 1.959 goes down to 1.819, a zone from where I'm expecting a good push up. So keep an eye here on these zones. Let's check gold. Right, so as you can see, the price is now pushing up. We do have a bullish engulfing candle right here at this area of value. I've already sent these zones to the members on Sunday. You should have these zones on your charts already. Price was above 50 EMA and above these zones, and at this point is pushing up. And now if the price continues to push up, again we can get another push down out of this zone, the recent zone, which is 199023, goes up to 2005. If the price continues to push up, I will enter another sell trade from this area of value. So not selling at this point until the price is above this green zone and 50 EMA. This green zone, in case you missed it, is 1959.28, goes down to 1947.06. So keep an eye on these zones. If I have a pullback again followed by a bullish engulfer here, I will take another long trade until the price hit this area in red. Let's check silver. So silver is now pushing up. Members should have already got these zones on the chart, as I've sent these zones to the members on over the weekend, and if it continues to push up, then it will hit the level of major resistance, which is 23.88, goes up to 24.67. So this is a zone from where we will enter our sell trades with one of the conditions like bearish engulfers and the double top entry pattern. So keep these zones on the charts. Once the price hit this zone, I will enter my sell trades with entry confirmation. Let's check crude oil. Right, crude oil is now pushing up, and as you can see, price did break above this zone and pushing up. Now I want to use this zone as my trend continuation zone, which is 72.44, goes down to 70.57. Now if I have a pullback to this zone again followed by a bullish engulfer, I will take my long trade with a less aggressive way. So bullish for crude oil at this point. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.